In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an email alias on Outlook. An alias is an extra email address that delivers to the same inbox, which is great for separating newsletters, signups, or projects without creating a brand new account. First, open your browser and go to Microsoft.com. At the top of the page, find the All Microsoft menu and click it. From the list of services, choose Outlook. This takes you to the Outlook page where you can access your email. Click Sign In and enter your account details if prompted. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your mailbox. Now look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. In the menu that appears, select My Microsoft Account. This opens your account dashboard. Next, click your info. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Account Info. Under that area, click Edit Account Info. You may be asked to verify your identity or enter your password again. Go ahead and complete that security step. A new tab will open with options related to your sign-in details. On this page, find and click Add Email. You'll see choices for how to add another address. Check the option that says Create a new email address and add it as a username. Microsoft uses the term username here, but it's the same idea as an alias. In the field provided, type the new email address you want as your alias. Aim for something simple and professional, since you might share it with others. When you're ready, click Add Username. That's it. Your new alias is now connected to your account. Messages sent to this address will arrive in the same inbox, and you can use it when signing up for services or sharing contact details. Keep in mind that changes like this can take a short time to show everywhere, so don't worry if you don't see it instantly in every app. If you want to stop using the alias later, you can come back to this same page to manage or remove it. A quick tip: aliases are helpful for filtering. You can set up rules in Outlook to automatically sort messages sent to your alias into specific folders, which keeps your main inbox clean and organized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.